How to turn on or turn off pages you follow notifications on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Facebook. This is the home page. Go to the top corner, click right here and click on settings here. Now click on settings again and click here. Now scroll down until you find pages you follow. Click here. You can now enable or disable pages you follow notifications just from here, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.